سنة 1989 في لندن، وبالتحديد في شركة الإيمج كمبيوتر سيستمز LTD. وقتها رئيس مجلس إدارة الشركة تيم بيرنرز أطلق بروجكت يضم سبايدر ويب أوف انفورميشن، وفي سنة 1991 أنشأ أول ويب على الشبكة دي. بعد كده اقترح بروجكت لغة تعليم النص المترابط والمعروف بورلد وايد ويب، واختصاره www، اللي انت دايما بتستخدمه وانت بتسيرش على اي ويب وانت مش فاهم ايه ده اصلا. أسس the first independent program to browse the internet to be the first appearance of the internet بشكلها المعروف حاليا، وعرف وقتها بويب 0.1، وأصبح العالم أشبه بالقرية الكونية الصغيرة. Web 0.1 is the first stage of the World Wide Web. It's basically read only and it's very static. Readers couldn't react to what they read. It was known as information. ده طبعا ما كانش مثير، بالظبط أكنك بتقرأ مجلة بس on the computer screen، ومن هنا حصل تطور. But it wasn't a boom. Web 0.2 appeared in the early 2000s. اتعرف بالسوشيال ويب. Writing became available and it was easy to communicate with other users. Sites that didn't exist before started to appear such as Facebook and YouTube.
بعد كده ظهر الويب 3 وكان الخطوة الأولى في ال Artificial Intelligence to the computer devices became able to think and act, and the internet became able to identify information and data for the organization, so you can read, write, comment and interact with other users, and also gather informations about them to create data sets that allow you to analyze the user. That was known as the semantic web that tried to represent knowledge in any field and about anything. Ads began to appear to the internet in 2007. Kelly reported that there were 100 billion clicks, 55 trillion links, and 2 million emails per second. Kelly predicted that within 5,000 days the internet would become a single machine and that all other devices would be a window to that machine. In 2012, 2.27 billion people used the internet. However, 1.7 billion people worldwide are actively participating in the internet. بعد كده ظهر ويب جديد، ويب فور إنترنت الأشياء، واختصاره IoT. It's about everything in your life. Yes, everything. But focus on buying and selling and controlling. It is a pleasant. Then the robots appeared like Sophia's robot. You can talk to him and he can understand you. حاليا بيتم تطوير ويب 4 لويب 5 ليكون الويب العاطفي زي ايموشنال ويب، زي ما مارك عمل الايموجيز الشهيرة عشان نعرف نتواصل مع بعض.
In Web 5, the internet will be able to sense, record, and communicate those feelings. The internet will understand and tell you everything in your life. الويب ده متوقع انه يظهر بحلول عام 2030. The virtual assistants who expect your needs from your behavior. You will see Web 5 applications capable of interpreting information on a more complex, emotional, and logical level. This is the web that works in real coexistence with everyday life without thinking. Essentially, what we do. Artificial intelligence enables computers to communicate like anyone, but the technology that enables them to think, infer, and respond on their own in a human way is not as far away as you might imagine. Web 5 will also focus on the individual and may allow a website to convey a different experience to each different person. He can perceive an individual's feelings and respond appropriately, and he can discover that subtitles that enable more powerful interaction. والسؤال هنا, how to design a website with emotional design? We humans try to convince ourselves that we are rational beings who make decisions based on logic. In fact, we are very emotional. The harder we try to convince ourselves of our rationality, the more our emotions influence our decisions. Website designers need to be mindful of the emotions their site evokes. It's not enough to be sure the site gives the impression you want send. Sites that don't elect any emotional response are quickly forgotten. When you start designing your site, you have to take a human emotions into consideration. Web 5 هيكون طفرة في عالم الإنترنت وهيفتح آفاق أوسع في إدراكنا لكل ما هو موجود حولنا. تفتكر ده هيبقى موجود فعلا أم مجرد خيال؟ Everything that was imagination in the past is now a reality. So why not achieve this?